Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to customize Zendesk talk settings. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to zendesk.com and you'll be greeted by the Zendesk page where you just need to go and log into a profile. If guys you do not have one, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Zendesk page where you first of all you can get started and create your account, the ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, the help center, reporting analytics, etc, etc. Also on the left side, we have the tickets where you can see everything about your tickets. So here you can see your unsolved tickets, you can see your pending tickets, you can see your recently updated tickets and everything about that. You can also, of course, select a ticket to have some more options about the tickets, so you can edit them, merge them, mark them as spam, or delete them. Also, we have the customers where you have all the information about your customers. So you can go and change their mails, names, you can even add new customers if you want, of course. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile where you can view it. You can see product updates, get help, support help center, keyboard shortcuts, you can give feedback about privacy policy and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually customize Zendesk talk settings. So talk settings include options to manage voicemail, lines, block numbers, and more. You have to go to the admin center, click channels in the sidebar, then select talk, and then email, and then again talk. And that's basically how you do it in just a few steps that are pretty fast. So just first of all, you need to go to the admin page as I told you. And here you need to go to the channels, and then you will find everything as I said. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.